Today, we're going to be on the hunt for the golden ticket so we can become the 8th Sidemen member. And this will be all thanks to the brand new Topps Sidemen cards. And we'll be joined by 2 Vic replacements. Vic 1, Vic 2, Vic 3. Okay, so we've got the box open and you might be wondering why there's a Charizard card here. Unfortunately, they don't put the autograph card in a pack. So we've got the packs, the box and the autograph card behind here. So Dylan, you were on my last video. What do you think of these packs?
Oh shit.
What, you prefer the foil one, the plain one?
Nah, they look good.
What do you think?
They're looking hard, yeah.
They do look quite nice,
yeah,
so I do like this design. So we'll open the first one. Sidemen Topps cards, a world exclusive today. So we're starting off with a KSI younger years. Jeez, look at that forehead, man. Oh, we've got another one, a Josh younger years. No, that would not look like Josh to me.
I've never actually seen Josh. Yeah, he's just always old.
He is just always old.
He is always old.
We've got a Vic scores a penalty at the charity match.
Oh, that's actually sick.
We've got a Tinder in real life. We should play rock, paper, scissors, and the winner has to date the loser. Bit of a shit one. And okay, we've got our first parallel card. So we've got a JJ, greatest moments. JJ gets a big scare. This is 150 out of 150. So that is our first parallel. So we'll put that on the stand.
You shake it.
On to pack number 2. Get the scissors out again. Really scared. I'm gonna cut the card.
Dylan, you're aware of the 150 over 150, yeah?
Yeah, Dylan, do you know about the parallel cards?
Yeah.
So for those of you who don't know about parallel cards, they're basically, there's 150 out of 150 of those cards.
That's crazy, you got the 150 of the last one made.
Yeah.
Does that mean anything?
If you like round numbers. Okay, so we've got pack number 2. So we've got again a Sidemen Tinder, and this is just a paused video of Harry. And we've got another younger years, so we've got Simon, so we're getting all the younger years of this rate.
I don't know with that song.
What? And there's a road trip right here. That could have been us if certain people didn't drop out the Amsterdam road trip. We've got a do you know what's on the menu, me and you? You might want to use that as your pick-up line. And we have a Sidemen card. Oh, I thought this was the golden ticket for 1 minute. So this is just a Sidemen card.
About the Sidemen.
Yeah. So we'll get on to the third pack. Alright, so we've got behind the scenes Sidemen camping. Nothing too exciting there. We've got a picture of them on the holiday on the London bus. We've got a behind the scenes. We've got a Ethan card, looking a bit glitchy, and we have a KSI card here. So pretty plain, just KSI. It's a gamer tag card.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to KSI LGBT.
Have you watched all of these episodes?
Yeah, that's the barber. That's the barber one.
They cut hair. Oh yeah, well, it's got the barber clothes in that. You're not shopping that view.
Okay, next one. JJ gets a big scare, so we've got a duplicate here. You want the duplicate? We've got Pub Golf in Benidorm.
Nice!
A nice one.
Oh, that was the video. That is the video. Yes, I've been watching.
We've got a Toby outsmarts JJ, not hard to do. We've got a Zerka card, and we've got another younger years Harry, so we've almost got all the younger years here. So
W2S.
That's not too bad.
This card's rather one thing. I know. Do you know how you trick KSI in this? He goes, oh, brain beats for 1. Yeah, and he goes, how does brain beat for 1? You know what I mean? Then he's like, what's that over there? And he looks.
That is peak. So, Tinder in real life, do you have coronavirus? Because I can't stop looking at you. What do we rate that?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
40 out. 10 out of 10.
Simon makes a crossbar shot. Classic side. I wish I was a cross-eyed so that I could see 2 of you. Decent. Decent little line there. And we've got an Ethan. I can't remember if we had an Ethan already.
No.
We have not had an Ethan. And the final card on this pack is the roast of the Sidemen. and there's them all laughing and happy.
Aww.
So what are your thoughts on the cards so far? What you liking them?
No such bangers of it, you know
No
what I
such
mean?
bangers.
No, I wouldn't say so.
OF Tinder cards.
Nah.
Okay, so we got a Zerka glitch card. We have another Tinder card. They've got a lot of Tinder ones. They say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Did that work? It did not work. Sad story. So we have a Harry glitch card. We have a bloody hell. They like the. No, this is a back to school one. So that's a back to school one. We've got a behind the scenes punishment at pool. So that is all the packs done right now. So the last bit left is the autograph card, which is hidden behind this Charizard.
Well, Uno is.
Should we do whoever gets it wrong does a shot?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll say it will be
Simon.
For Simon.
Oh, wait.
What are you on?
I'm gonna say V2S.
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 Yo, I'm gonna go for the main man, KSI.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? And it is a Simon! Nice!
Still.
So we've got a Simon 33 autograph out of 150. So that's a decent parallel, that is. A low numbered one. So I guess Dylan will not be doing your shot. Alright, we're back with our shots. The loser shots. Right before gym.
I'm teetotal.
Oh, that's a big shot.
That's a big shot.
And for those of you still watching, we are joined with Cam Behind the Cam on FaceTime. Tuning in all the way from Thailand just for this video. A whole live audience today. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yes. Oh, fruity?
Oh yeah.
That's
A
a
bit spicy, you know.
I hope you enjoyed this video. We post weekly on cards, crypto and finance. If you've enjoyed this video, you'll enjoy my other box pulls where we pulled a 1 out of 1 card. Make sure you check the 2 videos coming up next.